How to fix Steam Deck yellow light. So this usually means if your Steam Deck shows maybe a amber or just something similar to a yellow light, it usually indicates a charging or battery issue rather than a serious hardware failure. So first you can connect your official Steam Deck charger. Not really sure if this is the official one, but make sure you're using the correct charger and a charger that is compatible with your Steam Deck or something that works, okay? And then you can charge for at least 30 to 60 minutes, and even if the screen stays off, this usually just means you're just gonna let it happen for that amount of time. Or you could try a force restart by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the device shuts down. So with that, press it again to turn it back on, and you could also try a different USB-C charger and cable to rule out power delivery issues, as low or unstable power can trigger the yellow light. And if the issue does persist, you could enter battery storage mode reset by holding the volume up button plus the power to access the BIOS or BIOS, I suppose, then selecting the battery storage option to recalibrate it. You can leave the device plugged in afterward to allow it to fully charge before use, and if none of the steps work, there probably may be a faulty battery or charging circuit, and in that case you're gonna need to contact Valve to support or repair something like a replacement. But those are a few options you have if you're having the yellow light problem, I suppose, for your Steam Deck. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.